Hey everyone, welcome back to Savitri's Kitchen. Today we are going to make another delicious and easy dessert for Navratri, Suji Kheer, a creamy and delightful sweet treat that is perfect for this festive season. Let's get started. First heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan over medium heat. Now add 2 tablespoons of Suji and fry it for 5 to 10 minutes until it turns golden and gives off a wonderful aroma. Stir it continuously so it doesn't burn. Now add half liter of full cream milk to the roasted suji. Stir it continuously to avoid lumps and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until the suji is soft and well cooked. Now add half cup sugar or as per your taste. Mix it well. Add chopped cashew nuts, almonds into the kheer and give it a stir. Now let's prepare cardamom powder using a mortar and pestle. Add a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix well and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Now add a tablespoon of condensed milk into the kheer and give it one final stir. Serve the kheer into a serving bowl, garnishing with more chopped nuts. And there you have it, our creamy and delicious Navratri Special Suji Kheer. Try this delicious recipe at home and let me know in comments how it turned out for you. See you this Wednesday with another delicious recipe. Thank you.